Chocolate cake. We made this cake using the Cadbury moist chocolate cake mix. Milk 8 tablespoons. Oil half a cup. Three eggs. Whisk. Dry mix. Mix everything together. Pour the mixture into a well-greased pan or cake tin. Put in oven at 375 Fahrenheit or gas mark 5. Take out when you put a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean. Level out the top with a knife or cake leveler. Put on icing. Edible glitter. Cake decorations. Candles. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram to see sneak peeks of our videos and request anything in the comments.